natural bomb recipe for cleansing the liver and blood of a 116-year-old woman, Maria Branyas Morera, the world's oldest woman at 116 years old, was born in 1907 and has lived through 2 world wars, a civil war, and 2 global pandemics. She became the oldest person in the world after the French nun André passed away at the age of 118. Morera was born in San Francisco, USA, in 1907, just 4 years after the Wright Brothers' successful first flight and 2 years before the ill-fated Titanic was built. She is one of the oldest people in the world and recovered from COVID-19 in May 2020. For the past 22 years, Morera has been living in a nursing home in Catalonia, Spain. On Twitter, she expresses gratitude and surprise for the attention she receives as the world's oldest person. She shares her knowledge and experiences for maintaining good health throughout her 116 years. Although genetics play a significant role, a healthy lifestyle greatly contributes to maintaining a healthy body, especially the liver and blood vessels, as Morera suggests. With the increasing pollution in our environment and unhealthy lifestyles, our liver and blood vessels often face pressure and harmful toxins. Daily detoxification and cleansing of the liver and blood are crucial to maintain good health and prevent issues related to the liver and blood. By performing daily detoxification and cleansing of the liver and blood using natural ingredients, we can enhance liver function, improve metabolism, boost immunity, and enhance overall health. My detox secret is straightforward and can be achieved using a few fruits and vegetables found in your kitchen. It is the safest way to cleanse your liver and blood. All we need is 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 piece of ginger, a few sprigs of parsley, 1 tomato to 100 milliliters of water. Now, let's get started. Peel and chop the beetroot. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals beneficial for the liver and blood vessels. Antioxidants help protect the liver from free radical damage, while vitamins and minerals provide nourishment and support liver function. Peel and chop the carrot. Carrots are a rich source of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Fiber helps cleanse the liver by eliminating toxins and waste from the body. Vitamin A and C cleanse the blood vessels and enhance overall cardiovascular health. Peel and slice the ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and stimulates blood circulation. It also supports liver function and may help lower blood sugar levels. Ginger is believed to reduce cholesterol levels, promoting better cardiovascular health. Rinse the parsley. Parsley contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. It can help reduce inflammation in the liver and cleanse the blood by removing harmful toxins and enhancing the blood filtration process. Rinse and chop the tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and lycopene. Vitamin C enhances blood vessel health and supports the regeneration of liver cells. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Strain out the pulp and enjoy a refreshing glass of juice immediately. This combined drink of beetroot, carrot, ginger, parsley, and tomato can be consumed daily as part of a healthy diet. The perfect combination of these 5 natural fruits and vegetables helps maintain a healthy liver that plays a vital role in detoxification, removing harmful toxins, and filtering waste from the blood. It also produces necessary enzymes and hormones for metabolism. When our blood vessels are well protected, They effectively transport blood, nutrients, and oxygen to organs and tissues, contributing to overall well-being. That's all we need, a good, healthy.
We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.